Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we will discuss lecture number 60 and I have collected all these vocabulary, statistics and facts from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations, either CSS, PMS or other exams like FIA, IB, NAB, MOD exams, ETA, NTS and many more examinations. Or simply we can say it will help you in one paper examinations, as well as in pressure paper of CSS, because it comprises 20 marks, 10 of synonyms and 10 marks stands for antonyms. So if you have command and grip on vocabulary, so definitely you can achieve 20 by 20 marks. So the first one is exodus. So exodus stands for immigration, to expel someone by force, outflow, outgoing. Next one, indictment. So an accusation of wrongdoing. Next one, stance. So publicly stated opinion. So the stance of Imran Khan or PTI is to wipe out corruption from Pakistan, or to bring justice in Pakistan. Next one, scourge. So punish severely something causing injury or death. Next one, dire. So requiring immediate action. Next one, atrocities. So very cruel or terrible act or action. So the armed forces of Israel have done so much atrocities on the children, on the females, as well as on the geriatric population of occupied Gaza. We can say it's a modern day genocide by the hands of Israel armed forces. Next one, provocation. So incitement, provoking, arouses. Next one, scapegoat. So a person who is unfairly blamed for something that other has done. Next one, paradigm. So a standard, typical or perfect example. Next one, asserted. So to state in a strong and definite way. Next one, accustomed. So habituated, usual, or we can say regular. Next one, stardom. So a state of being a very famous performer, just like uh, Atif Aslam, we can say, or we can say Michael Jackson. Next one, interrogation. So to question formally and systematically or systemically. Next one, lamented. So deeply missed or deeply regretted. Next one, prosecution. So conduct of legal proceedings against a defendant for criminal behavior. It's basically a legal term. Next one, gadgets. Small useful devices are electronic devices like laptop, mobile phone or cell phone, tablet and many more electronic uh, appliances or gadgets. Next one, coolies. So unskilled Asian labor. It's an old term. Next one, fury. So showing a lot of strong and angry emotion. Next one, applause. So clapping, admiration. Next one, manifestos. So a written statement that describe the policies, goal of a person or group. So the manifesto of Pakistan People's Party is different from that of PMLN or PTI. So PTI manifesto is basically justice and corruption free Pakistan, but the manifesto of PPP is to provide home, shelter, cloth and food to the uh, downtrodden segment of the society. And the manifesto of PMLN basically they mostly work on business model, or we can say on Islamic model or ideology of Pakistan, like that. Next one, contention, arguing, argument, contestation, or disputation. Next one, asserted. So to state or declare positively and often, forcefully or aggressively. Next one, candid. So straightforward, direct, frank, outspoken. Extrovert, we can say, dividends. So a sum or a fund to be divided and distributed. Next one, amnesty. So forgiveness, pardon, absolution. Next one, fiscal. So fiscal related to government revenue and taxes. Next one, concert. So public performance of music. Next one, uh, numinous, so supernatural, holy, mysterious. Next one, ethereal, so it's related to spiritual or mysticism. Next one, stupid, so weak in intellect, someone who is in weak in intellect or mentally weak or silly. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely and stick to dawn times for more videos and updates. Thank you, and may the blessing of God never cease upon you.